If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Revolut, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your balance. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account. If your balance is low, you may need to top up your account before making any transactions. Step 2. Verify card details. Double-check that you are entering the correct card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Any discrepancies can lead to payment declines. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enable international payments. If you are trying to make a payment to a foreign merchant, ensure that international payments are enabled in your account settings. This feature may need to be activated for certain transactions. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Revolut's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into why your payments are being declined. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment decline issues on Revolut. If problems continue, staying in touch with customer support is your best option for resolution.